on Congress for its stand against the Waqf Amendment Act, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the Congress has only appeased Muslim fundamentalists and its opposition to the new law proves this. He also questioned why the Congress does not name a Muslim president and reserve 50% of the seat of the election tickets for the Muslim candidates. The Prime Minister was speaking at the inauguration ceremony of the Hisar Airport in Haryana. He said that the airport will be a significant milestone in the state's development journey. Remembering B.R. Ambedkar on his birth anniversary, Dalit icon and the constitutional architect, the Prime Minister said that Dr. Ambedkar's struggle inspired his government. Every decision and policy is dedicated to Baba Sahib Ambedkar, he said. Targeting the Congress, he said that the opposition parties made the constitution a tool for gaining power. During the emergency, the spirit of the constitution was killed to retain power. The constitution talks about a secular civil code, but Congress never implemented it. Today, a uniform civil code has been implemented in Uttarakhand. Unfortunately, the Congress is opposing this. Congress never bothered to check if the benefits of the reservation reached the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and OBC communities, the Prime Minister said. We must never forget that Congress did to Baba Sahib Ambedkar. When he was alive, the party insulted him repeatedly. They made him lose elections twice. Also, Congress wanted to uproot him. They conspired to keep him out of the system. After his death, they even tried to erase his memory. Baba Sahib stood for equality, but Congress spread the virus of the vote bank politics throughout the country, he said. Also, the Prime Minister said B.R. Ambedkar has ruled out reservation on the religious grounds. Congress appeasement politics has harmed the Muslims too. Congress has only made some fundamentalists happy. The rest of the society remained uneducated and poor. The biggest proof of this wrong approach is the Waqf law, he said. The Congress made arbitrary changes in the Waqf law for the political mileage and the changes that turned the constitution on its head, the Prime Minister said. I want to ask these vote bank hungry leaders, if you care about Muslims, why doesn't Congress make a Muslim party and make it as their president? Give 50% also the tickets in the Lok Sabha election to the Muslims. If they win, they would put forward their views. But no, they won't give Muslims anything in the Congress. They will snatch the right of citizens. Their intentions was never to do anything good for anyone, he said. The Prime Minister said lakhs of hectares of land are Waqf property